Welcome back to our comprehensive graphic design course. In this lecture, we will explore the fundamental principles of graphic design that guide the creation of visually appealing and effective designs. Understanding these principles will help you make informed design decisions and elevate the impact of your work. Let's dive into the principles of graphic design. Balance. Balance is a crucial principle in graphic design that refers to the distribution of visual elements within a composition. It aims to create a sense of stability, harmony, and equilibrium in your design. There are two types of balance: symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance involves dividing the composition into equal or mirrored parts. It creates a sense of formality, stability, and order. Think of it like a balance scale where both sides are visually identical or similar. Asymmetrical balance, on the other hand, involves arranging elements in an uneven manner, but with a visual balance achieved through color, size, texture, or weight. It creates a more dynamic and visually interesting composition. Understanding the concept of balance will help you create designs that feel visually stable, cohesive, and pleasing to the eye. Contrast. Contrast is the principle of creating visual differences between elements to make them stand out and create interest in your design. Contrast can be achieved through various means, including contrast in color, using colors that are opposite or significantly different on the color wheel to create visual impact and make elements stand out. Contrast in size, using variations in size to create emphasis and draw attention to certain elements. Contrast in shape, utilizing different shapes or geometric forms to create visual interest and variety. Contrast in texture, incorporating different textures or patterns to create tactile contrast and add depth to your design. By incorporating contrast effectively, you can create focal points, hierarchy, and visual impact in your designs. Alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of elements in a composition to create order, unity, and a clear visual connection. Proper alignment ensures that elements are visually connected and relate to each other in a cohesive manner. Key aspects of alignment include vertical alignment, aligning elements along a vertical axis to create a sense of balance and order. Horizontal alignment, aligning elements along a horizontal axis to create structure and organization. Center alignment, positioning elements at the center of a composition to create balance and focus. Grid-based alignment, utilizing a grid system to align elements systematically, providing a sense of structure and consistency. Understanding alignment principles will help you create designs that are visually pleasing, organized, and easy to navigate. Repetition. Repetition is the principle of using consistent visual elements throughout a design to create unity, reinforce a visual theme, and establish a sense of familiarity. Key aspects of repetition include repeating colors, using consistent color choices or color palettes throughout your design to create a cohesive visual experience. Repeating shapes, incorporating consistent shapes or forms to create a sense of unity and establish a recognizable visual theme. Repeating patterns, utilizing patterns or motifs that are repeated throughout the design to create a consistent and visually appealing composition. Repeating typography, employing consistent typography choices, such as fonts, sizes, and styles, to create a cohesive typographic hierarchy. By incorporating repetition, you can establish a cohesive and visually pleasing design. Proximity. Proximity refers to the placement of related elements close to each other to create visual connections and groupings. Proper use of proximity helps organize information, improve readability, and guide the viewer's eye through the design. Key aspects of proximity include grouping related elements, placing similar or related elements in close proximity to visually connect them and create a sense of association. Establishing visual hierarchy, organizing elements based on their importance or relationship to guide the viewer's attention and emphasize key information. Creating visual separation, using spacing and proximity to create distinct sections or clusters within your design, enhancing clarity and readability. Understanding proximity will help you create designs that communicate effectively and enhance user experience. White space. White space, also known as negative space, is the area between and around design elements. It allows for visual breathing room and helps create balance, focus, and clarity in your designs. Key aspects of white space include adding breathing room, allowing enough space around elements to prevent clutter and provide visual clarity. Emphasizing key elements, using white space to highlight or draw attention to specific elements in your design. Enhancing readability, using white space to separate and organize information, improving legibility and comprehension. Creating visual elegance, leveraging white space to create a sense of sophistication, minimalism, and elegance in your designs. By understanding and effectively utilizing white space, you can enhance the overall aesthetics and impact of your designs. That concludes our lecture on the principles of graphic design. We've explored the principles of balance, contrast, alignment, repetition, proximity, and white space. By understanding and applying these principles, you'll have a solid foundation for creating visually pleasing and effective designs. In the next lecture, we'll delve into the language of colors and its impact on design. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with future lectures. Let's continue our design journey with the exploration of color theory. See you in the next video.